welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today I am going to discuss the last part of the lecture which we have discussed in the last two lectures, noise measurement part 1 and part 2. Today I am going to discuss its last part, that is part. As we have previously discussed the various instruments that are used in the measurement of the noise, in this last part we have some more devices which are used for this measurement. And this lecture, we will start this lecture with noise integrator. This instrument is capable of measuring intermittent noise by giving an intermittent or average noise level when used in conjugation with a noise survey meter. Here is the layout of this noise survey meter, how it works, and finally gives the display on this screen. As you can see, there are the different types of the frequency bands. A weighted frequency response signal is fed into the integrator from noise survey meter, which act as a microphone pickup. The integrating unit of instrument collects the noise for a period of 5 seconds and gives indication which is proportional to the integrated noise. The pointer then moves back to 0 and after a pause of 1 second starts the next measurement. It gives time versus total noise value expressed in those limits, and it is possible to predict from it the anticipated hearing loss that could result from a 5-year exposure to a particular noise level. Dear friends, noise analyzer is one more instrument that is also used for the measurement of noise. Noise analyzer is fed directly or from magnetic tape recorders and consists essentially of a sound level meter feeding both statistical analyzer and a noise average meter. It can be coupled to give an analog or digital recordings to the processed data with both periodic and cumulative evaluation for printout. It also gives a digital display. Here are the picture of noise analyzers. It's a very small instrument and portable. We have one more important noise instrument that is called a noise nuisance recorder. It is a noise measurement instrument that can record both noise levels and audio files, which are used to measure, record, and assess noise nuisance complaints. One more device is called magnetic tape recorders. Magnetic tape recorders are the instruments used to make a permanent recording of the noise for future analysis or reference. Some HIFI audio recorders can be used, providing their frequency responses and dynamic range are suitable. For general surveys, small recorders with a frequency response of plus 3 decibels in the range of 30 Hz frequency to 16 kHz frequencies and a dynamic range of 40 decibels may be sufficient. For precise measurements, a frequency analysis higher quality instrumentation is needed. The real objective of the instrument have to be assessed, since the relative price of these instruments may vary in the range of 1 to 2. We have one more small instrument and very important instrument for the noise, that is called a graphic level recorder. If the sound level meter has logarithm DC output facility, Common graphic recorders can be used to obtain a permanent record of the sound. To obtain a permanent record of the evolution of the sound level, providing that their writing speed is compatible with the slow or fast characteristics of the sound level meter. If there is no DC output, or if this output is not proportional to the decibel level but only the RMS pressure, then a spatial recorder must be used. Here we have one more device that is called acoustic calibrator. Dear friends, acoustic calibrator is an instrument used to calibrate sound level meter. It is portable and battery operated and is placed over the microphone of the sound level meter. A pure tone of known frequency and intensity level is generated by the calibrator, which is compared with the meter reading of sound level meter. Adjustments are made as required. A sound level meter requires regular calibration to ensure that its measurement performance remains within the specifications. It needs to be calibrated once in 2 years and after every repair. Done always before and after the measurement are taken in the field. Dear friends, thank you for watching this lecture series on the measurement of noise. Here the measurement of noise completes under the third part. Kindly subscribe this channel for more such type of lectures. Thank you very much.